The yellow-eyed babbler is a small bird, commonly found in forested areas, measuring 16 to 20 centimeters in length. Its back is covered in brownish plumage, and it has a notably long tail that frequently flicks up and down. The bird's most striking feature is the golden yellow eye ring, which stands out vividly against the clean white feathers on its belly, giving it a lively and alert appearance. Naturally active, yet extremely shy. The yellow-eyed babbler is often seen hopping among tall grasses and reeds, quickly disappearing into the dense undergrowth at the slightest disturbance. It is primarily distributed across China and Southeast Asia. In 2016, it was listed on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species.